Hello everyone. In the last lecture, you have seen that we have integrated Wortise banner ads into our Android project, but it is not working because our app is won't approved by Wortise team. Okay, let me show you. As you can see, it take 3 days time to approve the app, but after 3 days they have rejected our app, and they told me reason that in order to verify successfully our app we have to use the game inside web view. Okay, or the reason of rejected is only that we have used external browser to view the game. Okay, that's why our app is rejected by Vertige. So we will create a web view in upcoming lectures, but for now we have to integrate other ad units like interstitial reward or app open. Okay, so in the last video we have integrated banner ads. Let me show you. Okay, this is here from Vertige. Okay, so we have integrated successfully, but ads is not showing because reason is that because app is not approved by Vertige team. So they have given me test ad unit ID. Let me show you. These are test unit ID. They told me that we have to use this test ID so that we can check integration is successful or not. Okay, after that, when we will push the app on Google Play Store, then we will use our live ads ID, right? So for now, we have to test the app using this test ad units. Okay, so let's start it. Let's copy this one, open into our browser only. Okay, fine now. Now let's close it. Now we not need. Let's copy the documentation first. Yes, it is also there, not need. Okay, close this one. So, now fine. So we have to add banner ad programmatically. So go to the Java under package name, go to the activity, then select main activity, and after main activity, you can see we have a set ad unit ID as like this function. So we have to test a ad unit in the our function class. Okay, so go to the helper directory and double click on function. As you can see, these are our Vertex ads ID, right? So we have to use it. So, but for now, for a test banner ad ID, let's create another variable. Let's name it public static string WP banner. Okay, fine now. And the banner ad ID is test banner for the banner one. It is the test banner. Copy this one, paste it here. Fine. So now let's go to the our main activity and we have to replace it with the test banner. Okay, test banner test. Fine now. Now it will display a advertised logo. Okay, so let's check the app. Let me connect the device. Fine now. Now run the app. It will take some time to install the app into our device. So please wait. As you can see, app will be taking much more time. So after integrating our Vertige ads ID, we will remove this app 11 quality check plugin. Okay, then it will loads much faster than now. Okay, so let me pause the video. App is launching now. It's successful launched. Now focus on the middle part of the app. SDK is initialized and now banner ads from a Wortise logo has been successfully showing. That's mean our banner integration is successful. Okay, there is no issue. I hope you have understand. Okay, now I will meet you in the next video.